Every action we take helps ensure a healthier, more sustainable future for our planet and generations to come.
You always want to be careful with your first stage, don't go mucking around there. Right? 3 fingers. Nice and easy. Rusty. Only a scoop it out. You're going to hold it in the tank like this. Alright?
The ocean is not just water, it is breath, rhythm, memory. It sings in tides and whispers through coral reefs, cradling life in every ripple and depth. But its voice is growing faint, drowned by pollution, warming and neglect. We forget that its pulse is our own, that when the ocean suffers, so do we. To protect it is to protect ourselves. Let us listen. Let us care. And let us act. The sea needs defenders, not just dreamers. Each of us is a ripple. Together, we are the tide. Let us keep the ocean alive, so it may keep telling its story for generations yet to come. As they prepare to dive, the ocean waits, alive. But below lies a world few truly know. The ocean between us. The ocean, generous and vast, it is a place of rhythm, of silence, of life woven through currents and light. It holds the breath of time itself. It opens itself to the divers, welcoming them not as visitors, but as witnesses. And with each fin kicked downward, a silent voice rises from the deep. Protect what you see. Carry my song back to the surface. I've given you wonder, now give me care. The ocean does not need saving, it needs allies. And as they sink into its embrace, it asks them to rise for it. Now it's our turn to give back, to protect its depths, and ensure its voice is never lost beneath the waves.